Alright, how's it going, guys? So you're in this video just to learn a little bit about sales, right? So in this video, I'm basically gonna give you a little bit of a reframe of what sales is. And I'm gonna give you a general approach so you can apply it to anything. Because in all honesty, we're kind of all in sales, right? We're kind of in sales when it comes to our dating life, when it comes to our parents, when it comes to our overall brand as a person. Not as a company, but as a person. So people know us a certain way, and we're all in sales, especially if we're running teams, especially if we're managing people. We're selling them on something, right? That's um, whether that's punishment or a carrot. It'll really depend on your style. Anyways, so I'm just gonna give you a basic framework, and I just want to have a caveat. This is not like one of those hard sell type of things, because we've all had those sleazy salesmen that would force us into a deal, right? And that will always have a bad taste in our mouth. But I just wanted to say credit goes to Alex Hamosi. If you haven't seen his content yet, go ahead and check him out. He's a master at sales and marketing. He does all things business. It makes it super simple for everybody, honestly. Um, anyways, so let me give you a reframe. When it comes to sales, all you really need is basically honest intentions, making sure that your intentions are clear expectations of what the other person needs to do, and of course, transfer of your own assurance, of your own demeanor, and of your own energy to them, that knowing and feeling and knowing in your mind and in your soul that this is going to work for them. That's how you make a sale. That's how you become a great salesman, because you're not actually selling, you're actually improving somebody's lives. Okay? Hopefully this is clicking. And also, the difference between a good salesman and a bad salesman, bad meaning like evil, not bad as in terrible. A good salesman uses it to influence people's decisions, where a bad salesman uses it to manipulate people's decision. The difference is very subtle. It's just the intent of what they're trying to do. If the good salesman is trying to sell something that he does not or she does not believe in, then they're probably trying to manipulate. And same goes for the flip side, goes to when it comes to the bad salesman also, right? If they're actually trying to sell something that they actually believe in, but then they're doing it for the wrong reasons. I mean, I don't want to go into there, but hopefully you can see the intent, the difference here. So this is just a general framework, like I said, and I want to make sure I'm gonna reframe first, give you a general framework, and then we're gonna do some examples towards the end. This is probably gonna be the fourth video or something like that. But the sales happen the moment you engage with your customer, whether that's through DMs, whether that's through calling or contact form or whatever it is. That's when the moment of selling is happening, up until you get paid. And I would even argue, even a little bit after the being paid part, because towards the end, you're actually selling your brand now. You want to make sure that, yeah, you're getting paid already, but the last experience that they're going to have with your company, after they give you their money, is the taste, it's the taste of your brand that's going to leave in their mouth. Hopefully that's making sense, because if let's say you do a great job, right? Let's say you do this great landscape design, you did the installation, all pristine, everything's perfect, but then you made it terrible for them to be able to engage with them the whole time. You're always late when it comes to I don't know, whatever your meeting is with them, or you gave them a terrible customer experience overall. Then though you will get paid towards the end, what you have sold them is a terrible customer experience, and you've sold them on a terrible brand. You got paid, but your brand suffers in the long term. Hopefully that's just making sense. Because selling is, like I said, that's everything in life. Whether that's business, whether that's relationship, whether that's selling yourself into doing something. Oh, I need to lose weight, 20 pounds or else, those types of conversations with yourself. Hopefully this is making sense. Hopefully this is reframing what sales is for you. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I'll give you some more insights. Alright. Bye for now.